Hi, welcome to my channel Layman Learns. This channel is dedicated to laymen who have very less or no technical knowledge and want to come into the technical world and do things which even professionals can do. So now we are going to look at in today's video on how to copy files to the FTP. So there are many ways of doing it, but since the channel name is Layman Learns, we are going to learn it in the very most basic way. So you can see my computer screen. For that you just need to have the FTP address and a username password associated with it, and you are good to go. So we will just start and see how it is done. So first and foremost, you just need to open a Windows Explorer. So what is a Windows Explorer? You can open any of your folders like this. So this is a Windows Explorer. If you are comfortable using this way of opening it by going to my computer, this is also one more way of doing it. And some people have a habit of using the shortcut key, which is Windows E. That also will help you open the explore the Windows Explorer. So the main thing what we want to do is go into this address field here, which you can see at the top, my computer. I will show it to you in a folder also. This is a folder. See, this is the address field. Then you just have to type in the FTP username and password. This is the FTP username and password. So here it has already opened, but this may prompt you for a username password as well. So if that is being prompted, you have to enter the username and the password. So I have showed you the way in which the username password will also get prompted, as you can see on the screen. Put the username and password, and the contents of the FTP will show on your screen. Then you can go into any folder of your choice, like you do on a normal Windows Explorer. You can copy, paste, upload, and do many things. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more such Layman Learn videos.